Hello traders, I'm Jason from Sureshot FX. Today I have got another forecast about gold for the week ahead. But before we look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with gold. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we will start our analysis with the current market structure of gold on 4-hour time frame. Last week we saw that after this liquidity sweep, market completely changed its bias or direction from bearish to bullish, and afterwards then market clearly created higher highs and higher lows, as you can see here. So market also gave us multiple long opportunities from this pullback, and we could have held these trades for much longer time. We could have got so much pips with this bullish move. So focusing on current market structure, we are still looking for long setups as the week has begun, and it's pulling back probably to this 50% level. If you draw fib from this swing leg, 50% is somewhere around here. So we might expect a pullback, and then we can look for another long setups targeting this order block or this buy-side liquidity. If we hide our drawings for a while and look ahead to the daily time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see the last Friday was a huge up momentum on gold. So there are a couple of targets on daily time frame that gold might target. One is this old swing high liquidity point, which is buy-side liquidity, or this one, or even gold might target all of these almost equal highs as a target. So coming back to the 4-hour time frame, if we get our drawings back, then what can we expect from gold this week? As this is Monday and market is already retracing back and probably filling up this imbalance, market may not come down all the way to this order block. It might give us a pullback at this zone probably, and after that we will be looking for this kind of price action. This price action can be seen on hourly or M15 time frame. Like market is pulling back, and after the pullback we will look for change of character, and after the change of character we'll look for demand zone to look for buy and target this order block or this buy side liquidity. So let's see how the market plays out for the upcoming week. So let's summarize the forecast. Gold bias is potentially bullish for this week. Last week, gold just skyrocketed upwards, providing us many long opportunities here and here. As the structure is still bullish, we'll be looking for long setups only after we get a significant pullback. Some short-term sell opportunities may also arise from the marked order block or after taking out this buy-side liquidity. But till that happens, we will be only focusing on long opportunities. So from what I see in the charts, I think gold might keep going up this week as well. We'll see what happened in the market in the next few days. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risks, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. That's all for our gold forecast for the week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot FX for more helpful information about forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.